Ang swerte makahanap ng taong magmamahal sa iyo ng buong buo. Pero kung malas ka at laging nare-reject, okay lang din. Parang ako. Nahanap ko yung pagmamahal na walang kapalit. Yung sinasabi nila sa libro. Di nga lang siya yung romantic one na tulad ng iniisip mo. Kasama ko siya sa panahong walang-wala ako. Di niya ako hinuhusgahan sa mga pagkakamali ko. Lagi siyang nasa tabi ko. Lagi siyang masaya basta magkasama kaming dalawa. Loyal to a fault. Siya si Peanut. Siya yung aso ko. Alam kong natatawa ka kasi ang OA ko naman sa alaga ko. Pero sabi nga nila sa iba, aso lang sila. Pero sa kanila, tayo ang mundo. Kaya nung nawala siya, parang nabutas yung dibdib ko. Di ko akalaing mawawala ang pinakamatalik kong kaibigan na kahit hindi ako magsalita, naiintindihan ako. Ako si Lito at ito ang huling sayaw namin ng alaga kong si Peanut. Kung meron mang alamang salita na unconditional love kahit hindi mo turuan, try mong tignan ang mga mata ng alaga mo para maintindihan mo ang salitang walang hanggan. May mga nagsasabi na ang pets daw, ang animals, they shouldn't be treated like humans. Kasi 'di ba, tayo kapag meron tayong alaga, parang we are very fond of them. We are very protective of them. Up until that point na minsan binibihisa natin, itinatabi pa natin sa mga higaan natin. And some people just don't understand it. Some people see them as merely pets, animals, pampalipas oras. Ayan. Something fun to have. Pero some people kasi, they do treat those animals, those pets, as part of a family. I know that not all people will get this kind of fondness. Hindi lahat ng tao makakaget sa ganitong klaseng relationship between an owner and a pet. Pero at times in your life where it's kind of hard to find someone who will understand you, who will appreciate you, who will look at you and all your flaws nang hindi ka huhusgahan. Walang judgment, walang question. Kahit kinagalitan mo, kahit itinaboy mo, bumabalik at bumabalik sa'yo. Kahit sinong makasama mo, para sa kanya, ikaw lang yung mundo. That's the kind of relationship that some people do establish with these creatures that you call pet. And sometimes, yung part of the family na yon, yung four-legged part of that family, hindi nyo napapansin, pero nagiging glue sila ng pamilya. Nagiging patch sila sa hole inside your heart when you feel empty. Kasi nga when they look at you, they don't look at you with judgment. Tumaba ka, pumayat ka, marami kang pera, wala kang pera. May mga bagong gadget ka o wala. May pasalubong ka man o wala. Binati mo man siya ng birthday niya o hindi. Malungkot ka man o masaya. They will treat you the same way. So sa mga kabisyo natin na hindi naiintindihan, yung klase ng relationship na meron ng isang owner at isang pet, maybe you haven't tried looking at them a different way. Try to be connected with them and you'll understand that sometimes pinapagaan nila yung loob mo in a way na hindi kayang gawin ng ibang tao. Siguro yung feeling lang na you can be you without having to fear naiiwan ka ng taong yon for becoming who you are, for being true to yourself. Yun yung klase ng security na kaya nilang ibigay. My love, a loss is a loss. Two-legged man yan, four-legged man yan, reptile man yan, you don't get to judge kung paano nila tinitake ang loss sa buhay nila. So, para po sa mga kabisyo nating pet lover, owner, ng kahit ano pang household animal or pet, domestic animal that you welcome to your home and you treated like family. It will always be hard yung gawin yung huling sayaw sa kanila. I've experienced it myself. I held a lifeless, cold as ice, and hard as stone body, tiny little body of a four-legged animal in my arms that I have loved for 1 year and 4 months. I never thought I could love a dog like that. So I understand. Doon ko naisip at doon ko na-realize na it's not really overacting. Kapag may mga taong naiiyak, nadudurog, kapag nawawala yung pet nila. Again, for most people, for some, I guess, sila ay pet lang, animal lang. But if you'll walk in their shoes, tayo na yung mundo nila. The things they experience with us, yun na yung buong buhay nila. And there's nothing more they look forward to than be with us. A kind of loyalty, a kind of love, a kind of affection that nowadays is hard to find. Maybe we can learn a thing or two sa ability nilang magmahal. Kasi kung merong salitang wagas, merong salitang unconditional, merong salitang pagmamahal hanggang dulo, hanggang kamatayan. Sila ang capable nun. So if we can learn to love like that, maybe we can live our life to the fullest and be happy every single time and appreciative of what we have. Just like them. If only.